friends, and welcome to day 9 of introductions for Mama Elephant's September 2024 release. Today we are introducing Little Agenda Sweets and its coordinating creative cuts. And here are the stamped images. We have the cutest little gingerbread house, we have a cart, we have a sign and lots of images to decorate your holiday scene. Today I will be showing you how I color this stack of gifts with the trees, but I think these trees can also be colored like mountains and you can use them in the background like that. I use the same color palette for the entire coloring page, and you can check out the description below for the color numbers. And that finishes our coloring for today. As you can see, there are a tiny llama and a tiny gingerbread person included in this stamp set, but today I will be creating with the Little Agenda unicorns. I thought it would be so cute to create a sweet and magical scene. I ink blended a simple background using some masking tape and a cloudy stencil. I stamped the sentiment at the bottom of my card as a placeholder. I started by adding the gingerbread house, and as you can see, I cut the trees I colored in the beginning of this video in half, and I added them on both sides of the gingerbread house. Now it's time to decorate our scene with those cute unicorns and all the different elements included in the Little Agenda Sweets stamp set. Next, I'm covering up my placeholder sentiment with the sentiment I heat embossed with white embossing powder on Kraft cardstock. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. And I will see you tomorrow for the last day of introductions for this release. The release will be available from the 15th of September, and of course that will be accompanied by our stampede and lots of inspiration from our design team. Bye!